Imagine yourself in this 2003 Ford Super Duty F-250. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include ABS, third passenger door, rear bench seat, passenger vanity mirror, power steering, fourth passenger door, intermittent wipers, and driver airbag. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.